Hello beautiful! Here is another chapter for your hair because we know how tough it can be to keep your hair healthy and free from breakage. So, if you're fed up with your hair breaking all the time, then you need to watch this video. Hair damage is more than just split ends. Extremely damaged hair develops cracks in the outside layer, the cuticle. Once the cuticle lifts, which means opens, your hair is at a risk for further damage and breakage. It might also look dull or frizzy and be difficult to manage. And the causes are infinite, from heat styling your hair, dyeing it, bleaching it, to stress. All of this can be major damage to your hair. But is there a way to save your hair once the damage is done? Luckily, the answer is yes. There is a 2 simple step product, toxic free and full of the latest technology that will help your hair to restore its health. Savior. And wait, you're going to love this fact. Cocunat's R&D team has invented a kind of a band-aid for those damaged areas of your hair and included it in this silicone-free hair treatment. Yes! They are vegan microcapsules filled with argan oil and natural polysaccharides, molecules that repair damaged hair. But how do they work? They detect hair damage. They adhere to the hair fiber, release argan oil and natural polysaccharides, deeply nourish the hair from the inside. Micropearls seal the hair fiber and retain moisture, like a band-aid. Incredible, isn't it? The result is a completely repaired and hydrated hair. Once you try it, it will become a must-have in your hair routine. Believe us. And well, beautiful. Now that we spilled the tea, let us know in the comments below what are your hacks to have a healthy and shiny full of life hair. We love hearing from you. See you in the next video. Bye!